So what are we doing today?
Today, for my schoolwork in Year 6, we have been learning about the heart, and today we are doing a heart dissection.
Excellent.
So, let's remove it from you. I know without what I did before. So, there's different things, and I can identify this. This is called the aorta, I think, something like that. Up at the top. Then, if this was split in half, in the middle, there's mostly ventricles and stuff like that, and arteries inside the heart, which you can't see from the outside.
But we'll be able to see in a bit when you cut it open.
Can you make it look like, if you hold it up, does it look like this picture here?
Oh yeah, so let's have a look.
Okay.
Yeah, compared to what's on the screen. Yes, that looks
This
very
video's
very
gonna
similar.
get demonetized. Anyway,
So show me where you think the aorta is.
up at the top, because that's mostly where it is,
That
around
bit there?
here.
Yeah? Okay.
Near. So, let's cut it open.
And what are you using to cut it open?
I'm going to use some safety scissors.
Okay.
And because of certain things called semi-lunar valves, to show them to you, we'll be using tweezers.
Okay.
Okay. Go to the video. Whilst doing this, because it's my first time doing it, we will have a video on whilst I'm doing it, because...
Is that to talk you through what you've got to do? Okay.
Just to show you where to cut.
Yeah, just to show me where to cut.